Him. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Abul Hussain Sarkar, Assistant Headmaster, Bhoberchur Wazirali High School, Gojaria, Munshiganj. Dear students of class 9, how are you? I hope you are well and good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Dear students, you are staying home for your safety. Today, our topic is completing sentences. I have written on the top of the whiteboard completing sentences part 1. Dear learners, this topic is very important for you. So, I have divided my topic into 3 parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. Today, I will discuss only part 1 for the betterment of you. Dear students, completing sentence is very easy and simple. If you practice the rules again and again, you will be able to get full marks in this item. There are so many rules in completing sentences. Today, I will discuss only 5 rules. Dear students, rule 1, 2 structure subject plus verb plus to plus adjective oblique adverb plus to plus a relevant verb. For example, the man is too old to dash. Dear students, according to structure, subject, here the man, verb is to plus adjective oblique adverb, here old, this is adjective, plus to plus a relevant verb. Work. The man is too old to work. To work, this is infinitive. He is too dishonest to dash. According to structure, here his subject is verb plus to dishonest, this is adjective, plus to plus a relevant verb. He is too dishonest to speak the truth. He is too dishonest to speak the truth. Here to speak, this is infinitive. You are too short to dash. To touch, T-U-C-H, touch the board. Here you subject plus R verb to plus adjective shirt plus to plus a relevant verb touch. You are too short to touch the board. Rule 2. So that structure subject plus verb plus so plus adjective oblique adverb plus that plus first subject cannot oblique could not plus verb plus dot. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard. Rule 2. So that structure subject plus verb plus so plus adjective oblique adverb plus that plus first subject plus cannot oblique could not plus verb plus dot. Example: he is so weak dash. He is so weak that he cannot walk. According to structure, subject he, verb is, plus so, plus adjective weak, plus that jukta clause. Here we have used cannot. Remember that if the subject is present indefinite tense, we have to use cannot. Next, the man was so dishonest dash. The man was so dishonest that he could not speak the truth. The man was so dishonest that he could not speak the truth. According to structure here, subject the man, verb was so, plus adjective oblique adverb, dishonest adjective, plus that plus first subject. Here first subject is the man. This is noun. Instead of the man, we have used here as a subject he. This is pronoun. After subject, we have used could not. Plus verb, speak, plus dot extension, the truth. The man was so dishonest that he could not speak the truth. Dear learners, all of you will have to remember that if the sentence is present indefinite tense, you will have to use cannot. On the other hand, if the sentence is past indefinite tense, you will have to use could not. Rule 3. So that. Structure subject plus verb plus dot dot plus so that plus first subject plus can oblique may oblique could oblique might plus verb plus dot dot. Dear students, rule 3 so that structure subject plus verb plus dot dot plus so that plus first subject plus can oblique may oblique could oblique might plus verb plus dot dot. For example, the boy reads more the boy reads more so that dash he can pass the exam. The boy reads more so that he can pass the exam. According to structure, subject, the boy, verb, reads, plus dot dot, here more, plus so that, this is also conjunction, plus first subject. Dear students, here first subject is the boy. This is noun. In lieu of the boy, we have used here after so that as a subject pronoun he. Plus can oblique may oblique could oblique might. We have used here can plus verb. Verb, this is past extension the exam. The main sentence is the boy reads more so that he can pass the exam. Next example. So that he could not. The man worked hard so that dash. The man worked hard so that. According to structure, the man subject, verb worked, plus dot dot, hard, so that, plus first subject. Here first subject, the man. Instead of the man, we can use after so that as a subject he. Could not. He could do the work. The man worked hard so that he could do the work. Note, remember that if the sentence is present indefinite tense, we have to use can oblique may. The first sentence we have used can. The second sentence, the man worked hard so that he could do the work. This is past indefinite tense. We have used here could. If the sentence is present indefinite tense, we have to use can oblique may. On the other hand, if the sentence is past indefinite tense, we have to use could oblique might. Rule 4. Provided oblique provided that oblique providing that incomplete structure, incomplete sentence plus a meaningful full sentence. Rule 4, provided that, providing that. Structure, incomplete sentence plus we have to include after the incomplete sentence a meaningful sentence. Example, the plane will take off. Provided dash. The plane will take off provided the sky is clear. The plane will take off provided the sky is clear. Provided means if. The sky is clear, a meaningful sentence. The plane will take off provided the sky is clear. Next, we shall start now provided that dash. We shall start now provided that the weather is good. The weather is good. Dear learners, provided that, providing that. providing that we have to use after that a meaningful sentence. The plane will take off provided the sky is clear. We shall start now provided that the weather is good. Rule 5. List. Structure. Incomplete sentence plus list plus subject plus should oblique might plus verb plus dot dot. Dear learners, rule 5 list. Structure incomplete sentence plus list plus subject plus should oblique might plus verb plus dot dot. Example: work first, list dash. Work first list, you should miss the train. Next, read attentively. List dash. You should fail. Dear learners, the first sentence is work first, list you should miss the train. Work first, this is imperative sentence. Here subject you is silent, understood or hidden. After list, we have used as a subject you. According to structure, after subject we have used should plus verb miss plus extension. Next, read attentively, list you should fail. Dear students, read attentively. This is also imperative sentence. Here subject you is also silent. After list, we have used as a subject you. According to structure, after subject we have used should plus verb fail. Dear students, today we discussed 5 rules of completing sentences. Dear learners, you will have to study very minutely at your home. Now I am going to finish my today's class. Dear students, this is the time of COVID-19, so I would like to advise you to stay home for your safety. Remember that health is wealth, it is the root of all happiness. There is an English proverb, a sound mind lies in a sound body. If the body is unsound, the mind must be unsound. In fine, I request you to take care of your health. Thank you everybody. Goodbye. See you in the next class.